A video of a bear supposedly chasing a snowboarder is making the rounds. It seems shocking, and the border insists it's real. But as Jeff Semple reports, it's got all the trappings of a hoax.
It's an amateur video that's truly unbelievable. Posted on YouTube by Kelly Murphy, who claims to be a student from Sydney, Australia. Seen here strapping on her snowboard on the slopes of Japan. She's got her camera on a selfie stick and is singing Rihanna, completely oblivious to what's leering just over her right shoulder. That's right, a bear. Her headphones on, Murphy apparently can't hear the animal growling and charging right for her. Murphy says she was at the ski hill with some friends, but they were doing lessons, so she went off by herself. It wasn't until much later, she says, while reviewing her snowboarding videos, that she realized a bear had been chasing her. OMG, she adds, I nearly got eaten. Be careful, people. In her YouTube post, Murphy says the video was shot over the weekend at the Hakuba 47 ski resort in Japan. Asian black bears frequent the village in the summer and are known to be aggressive.
Check this out.
The video quickly sparked horror and captured headlines around the world.